My baby Patches. You see the bird? You're talking to the bird over there? Yeah, it's a big girl. You see the bird? Say hello to the bird. Say. Meow. You're adorable, Patches. Talking to the bird. Saying hello to the bird over there. There's a huge bird. Oh, he flew away. He just flew away. Alright. Patches has a vibrato meow. Sounds something like meow. Say meow. Say I love you. Can you say I love you, Patches? Good girl. I love you. Can you say I love you? Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's definitely a girl. Little Miss Personality. We all love her. We love you, Patches. You just can't get no fatter. How come you getting so fat? You're an active little girl. How come you getting so fat? Doctor said no fatter. We gotta keep an eye on your weight right now. She gained a lot of weight. She's over 12 pounds. Just a hair over 12. That hair is probably the collar and the tag, for Christ's sakes. It's like, 1% of 1 pound over 12. It's not much. A 1, 2, something like that. Over 12. 12.012 pounds she weighs. That's it. No more, bushy boo. Or you'll have to get put on a Pussycat treadmill. Alright. She's a little cutie, isn't she? Meow. I love you, Patches.